What we have witnessed today is a blatant disregard of the law. Because as Comrade Booker showed up to the station, the charges were absolutely flimsy. We asked them, are they interested in arresting our comrade? They said no. What they told us is that what they have arrested is the car. You would think that as people who are supposed to be custodians of the law, that they would at least tow and impound the car under dignified conditions. But the car was deflated in the streets and then towed away. Who is going to bear the costs of repairs? They still expect it to be us to shoulder the burden. And that's why we are saying these intimidation tactics by the states will not work, because as the outgoing President William Ruto said, that people will not be abducted or forcefully disappeared, and they will act within the law. We are imploring this police force, before we transform it into a police service on NaneNane, to adhere to the law. On Monday, they have been summoned. We expect them to honor the summons just the way we have honored their summon. We have said this time without number that the reason why we will be marching on NaneNane will be for the dignity of our people. It will be for the restoration of sanity in this country. It will be to drain the corrupt swamp of politicians. As Kenyan youth, we will not cower. We've seen them disperse people assemblies. We've seen them send out heavy police and state equipment and machinery to try and intimidate us. But we are saying, nane, nane, kabla ya saa nane.